Hi friends, welcome back to my channel iQOO. Finally friends, I'm back with the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the ROG Phone 3 versus iQOO 7 device. This is the moment which I'm trying to wait for the long time to compare between these both phones. So I cannot wait to see the results, which phone will be having what kind of performance levels in terms of the opening games faster, in terms of storing them in the background RAM management. This time I have selected the 10 games completely. As you can see, there is no applications at all, only 10 games. And out of this one game which is a Barrygon's mobile game which is hiding in the middle, as you can see exactly. Let's see which phone has really good RAM management and which phone can really open these games faster. I do know these are not big games, but I just want to take this speed test from the first level to the second level to the third level. If you follow me regularly, you will definitely understand each level. I'm trying to find out which phone has got what type of potential in it. That's what my main motive of doing this kind of comparison. So in case if you're watching this channel for the first time, make sure you hit that like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow the playlist which I created for each and every smartphone. In case if you want to buy any device, try to must check the playlist. Only then you can actually decide which phone is worth to buy. These are the most number of highest videos which I uploaded on each smartphone, as you can see. So try to decide friends based upon the videos. So let's get started without wasting any time. First thing is no applications and games in the background RAM management completely cleared. And let's do the reboot test. Let's see. So which phone can actually reboot faster? So both are restarting at the same pace. And Snapdragon 865 plus Snapdragon 870. 8GB RAM variant versus 8 plus 4GB RAM variant. So I mean in terms of the expandable RAM capabilities, which I did enable. So anyways, so let's see how much difference will it be there. Snapdragon 865 and the 870. So this is my first gaming phone, friends. I'm really very excited to see how is the performance gonna be there in this phone. So which I'm really very excited. As I said, the first phone to boot up is the ROG Phone 3 is the first phone. That's kind of good to see. And I'm trying to use the 120Hz refresh rate, and I'm trying to use 144Hz and 120Hz refresh rate. So both are I'm trying to use the high refresh rate at this point. So first thing, let's open the Wi-Fi. So Wi-Fi are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, 2.4 GHz, 2.4 GHz. That's kind of confirmation which I thought of giving you in terms of the Wi-Fi connection. And now let me try to keep these games ready. And these games, I did not add into the ultra game mode. I did not add into the game gene. No, I did not add, because if I try to add them into the game boosters, they'll try to clear the background, all the applications and games. So we cannot get to know what is the RAM management. That's the reason I did not add them. So right now there is nothing in the background running at this moment. Everything is completely clean. Completely, there is no X mode. Turn on. So now let's start. First game, Subway Surf 1, 2 and 3. This is my first time, and the first phone to open is ROG Phone 3. Wow, that's first point. Not bad. Just few seconds. Try to observe that few seconds difference. First phone, ROG Phone 3 again in this segment as well. Not bad. So I do know the phone is basically designed for the gamers. Of course, the phone will be having really good optimization for the games most of the time. So Barrygon's mobile game was able to open slightly faster. You can see the logo, how it's loading on. So right now it's both phones are booting up, and let's see the login page first. ROG Phone 3 did show the login page first. So yep, not bad in the speed test. The ROG Phone 3 was able to open till now faster. Next is the Temple Run 1, 2 and 3. And both phones are loading at same pace. The Temple Run, same, nothing much huge difference in the Temple Run segment. So as I said, I'll try to do the heavy games test. Call of Duty, Asphalt 9, Genshin Impact. Oh my god. So there are so many tests which are going to become in the next couple of days. So I'm going to be very busy with this gaming phone. And next is a Crossy Roads. Crossy Roads, I think not bad. So both are kind of same in the Crossy Roads, nothing much difference. Traffic Rider, so this is another game. So I did not add into the game boosters. So ROG phone was able to open slightly faster, little bit. So not bad, friends. Even the Snapdragon 865 Plus is slightly kind of close to the 870. That's what I did experience. You can see it did open slightly faster. That's millisecond. Just not a huge difference. I'm not saying that 5 seconds, 10 seconds, but milliseconds difference is there. So if that matters for you, maybe. But right now you can see the speed of loading in the ROG phone. I think right now the both phones, even the iQOO 7 was able to perform really good. As I said, in the performance segment, this is undoubtedly really good, the iQOO 7 device, in the performance for this kind of budget range. If you can only extend the budget till there, maybe. But there are some other pros and cons with the ROG Phone 3, which I'll try to discuss later on, so don't worry about those. So finally friends, is a quick speed test comparison. So in the speed test comparison, ROG Phone 3 was able to open few games faster than the iQOO 7 device, but just a few, negligible difference, not a huge difference. That's it. But let's see the RAM management. That is what the most important thing, right? That's the RAM management. That's what I'm going to concentrate. So let's get started friends. First, let's open from the last application, last game. I'll try to open one by one. So just to check, I'm really excited to use the ROG Phone 3. So I do know it's a 1-year-old mobile phone, but still I don't care about the 1 year, but performance is wow, it's really good. So the RAM management, as you can see, this game is not staying in the background RAM management. Exactly, it did not open, but iQOO 7 was able to keep this game in the background RAM management. Exact, as you can see. Now let's try the temple run. Let's open the temple run. What happens with the temple run? Maybe sometimes the background RAM management, sometimes some UIs will not be optimized a lot. So let's see the temple run. 1, 2, and 3. Boom. The iQOO 7, the Fun Touch UI was able to keep, wow, in the background RAM management. So the ROG phone, one thing is that the RAM management may not be that much kind of, it cannot store more games, I mean. So I do know no one will be using this many 10 games, obviously. But maybe I need to do the applications comparison as well. Then we'll be able to get to know what is happening. So stay tuned for those videos. So this is just my day 1 of using this phone, friends. So I cannot judge based on one result. This is just an initial impressions only. 1, 2, and 3. Battlegrounds mobile game was there in the background. Wow. In the ROG Phone 3. That's kind of shocking. I'm not sure why some games are not there and why this Battlegrounds mobile game is there. Like Temple Run game is not there, Smash It is not there, but Battlegrounds mobile game is there. As I said, maybe it depends upon the games, I think so, optimization. That's how maybe the RAM management works, but this kind of really weird. And this is my first time seeing this kind of small games not opening and big games started to open in the RAM management. Anyway, well, let's move to the Candy Crush 1, 2, and 3. Boom. Candy Crush not there in the ROG Phone 3. So in the RAM management, iQOO 7 is far better. Yes, iQOO 7 did open 9 games. I mean, out of 10 games, 9 games did open in the iQOO 7 device when compared with the ROG Phone 3. Don't think extended RAM is the reason why it is happening. No, even without using extended RAM capabilities, iQOO 7 was able to hold this many games in the background. Extended RAM is just a gimmick, friends, so don't worry about those. So final conclusion is that the speed test is slightly better and RAM management is more than slightly better in the iQOO 7 device in terms of the gaming, but I need to do the another test which is applications point of view as well. Then we can come to the conclusion. This is a complete review comparison between both phones. I hope you got a clear idea and clear picture what is going on in the speed of this phone. Speed and the performance is one another key thing in this phone as well. So let's see friends how this phone can handle in my next upcoming test videos as well. I'm really interested to test how this phone will perform. And thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.